Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making mid-century art using DecoArt Traditions paints. These are my favorite tube acrylic paints. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some mid-century art. DecoArt Traditions come in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.